This is serious, folks. CNN, you know this is serious, yo. So CNN, we all know that I love CNN. In fact, I was actually bidding for a contract to work with MSNBC. And last minute, I was like, you know what? Fuck that. I'm going to go work for CNN instead. So obviously, I'm a mainstream liberal. I'm a Democrat, and I'm proud, motherfucker. But anyway, so I see this article from CNN, as you can see. Requests to the server have been blocked by this extension. I wonder why. Anyway, New York prosecutor investigating Trump announces he won't seek re-election. I haven't read this article yet, but I'm going to read it now, live on stream. What could possibly go wrong, right? Like, what could... This article just dropped a couple hours ago. Right? All right, let's read it. New York. CNN in parents for whatever reason. The New York prosecutor leading the most significant criminal probe against Donald Trump and his business announced Friday he is not running for re-election, putting the spotlight on who will be elected to take over the investigation into the former president and his business. I see what they did there. I see what they did there. That's pretty good. I got clickbaited, but let's go with it. Sources have told CNN for weeks that the Manhattan District Attorney Cyrus Vance is not seeking re-election, and according to state campaign disclosures, he wasn't actively raising money for a campaign. I love it. Vance's departure adds intrigue to an ongoing probe into Trump and the Trump organization. I love organizations. In fact, I'm going to go organize as soon as the stream is over, which has spanned 2 years. In February, Vance's office won its bid to obtain 8 years worth of Trump's taxes. By the way, reminder, Trump paid more in taxes to China than he did to the United States. I'm just saying, tough on China? Tough on China. Why don't you ask China that question, right? You know what I'm saying? It's just go ask them. Okay. I've had a lot of kofefe today, so I'm going to drink some more real quick. After the Supreme Court ruled in the prosecutor's favor, ending a 17-month battle over whether the documents should be released, people familiar with the matter have told CNN that Vance is likely to decide whether to charge a case or close the investigation by the end of the year. So this is the thing I'm interested in. So we've got this thing in New York, we've got this thing in Georgia, right? This motherfucker, they should be suing him in every state in the union as far as I'm concerned, right? You know what I mean? They should be suing this motherfucker all over the place. In fact, you know what? I'm going to announce today, I'm going to sue Donald Trump. I haven't gotten laid in over a year, and I'm suing Donald Trump for damages. I have not been able to properly express myself during my prime years. Personally, I'm pretty aggrieved. So I'm going to announce that I'm hiring a lawyer, and I'm going to sue the former president of the United States for just everything. Really, just honestly, what a shitbag. People familiar with the matter have told blah, blah, blah. Investigators are now in the process of combing through millions of pages of tax returns, work papers, and communications related to the returns, as well as financial statements and engagement agreements from January 2011 to August 2019. In a memo to prosecutors and staff, Vance said the office would work harder than ever over the next 9 months to move justice forward in court cases large and small. I never imagined myself as district attorney for decades like my predecessors. What does that mean? Vance said in a memo. I never thought of this as my last job, even though it's the best job and the biggest honor I'll ever have. I said 12 years ago that this change is fundamentally good and necessary for any institution. What the hell is this guy talking about? There's a large slate of candidates. All right, I'm not going to read that shit. But anyway, I hope that this guy charges Donald Trump before he leaves, because that would be pretty cool. So I'm going to drink some more coffee there. God bless.